Welcome to this installation video for your AGD641 pedestrian detector. Our curbside AGD641 is purpose-designed for the monitoring of pedestrians and cyclists waiting to cross the road, maximizing safety in local crossing strategies and ideal for typical toucan crossings. With a number of new and enhanced features, the AGD641 is now easier to install via our unique AGD Wi-Fi touch setup connectivity, is smaller and lighter in weight compared to our previous generation AGD640, and uses less power. The introduction of 3D stereo vision supports the detection of both stationary and moving targets, whilst the self-IR illumination provides enhanced nighttime detection. In addition, we've increased our zone size to cover a larger 4 meter by 2 meter area. The detector should be mounted on a suitable bracket at a height of 3 to 4 meters, with a clear and unobstructed view of the pedestrian wait area. Any obstruction should be removed and any other detectors repositioned. For optimum detection performance, the detector should be carefully angled using the marker on the housing. The fixing nut should then be securely tightened. Your detector is available in multiple voltage options, and you should familiarize yourself with page 6 of the product manual before connecting power. Once connected, the red LED will flash 5 times whilst it performs a self-check routine. If the detector has not yet been set up, the LED will be permanently illuminated. All of our new products utilize our AGD touch setup technology, enabling quick and easy setup via a laptop, tablet, or smart device. To access the device, simply search for the detector's SSID in available Wi-Fi networks and enter the password once prompted. This will be the product name followed by the serial number on the unit housing. Once connected, enter the detector's IP address in your browser window to view your device's current settings. If the detector has not yet been configured, you will see this page first. Here you can name the location of your detector and adjust a number of other parameters. Click the Next button. We will now set the zone. It's recommended that you press Clear before proceeding. You can then draw a boundary around the area you'd like the detector to operate in. You can draw as many points as you like in order to achieve accurate detection. To ensure that the detector reads the zone correctly, you will need to mark your boundary beyond the wait area. This will allow the detector to accurately see pedestrians when they're on the edge of the zone. It's also important that you draw around any obstacles on the site to avoid unwanted detection. If you make a mistake, you can easily go back using the Undo button. Once complete, you can then click on the Next button to proceed to the calibration page. Ensure the zone is empty and click Calibrate. If someone enters the zone during this time, this step will need to be repeated. A walk test will confirm the boundaries of the set zone, and in this mode, the zone will illuminate in red at the onset of pedestrian detection. Further adjustments of the zone can be achieved by revisiting earlier steps. The Advanced menu offers a number of options for managing your device, including product information and firmware updates, options for rebooting, and a factory reset. Because the AGD641 is a vision product, regular maintenance is vital. Periodic cleaning of the lens windows with a lint-free cloth will ensure that a clear view of the zone is maintained. The security of all cable fixings should also be routinely checked. If you require any further assistance or need any more information, please contact the AGD Technical Support Team, who will be delighted to help.